Well, let's see how this time-lapse thing is going to work here. There we get to see real-time snow out there. Not quite blizzard conditions yet, but now we come down, we've got the old iPhone here. Let's see if we can pause it. Alright, and we'll take this out of here. Give it a little stop. We stop it. Now let's take a look at the what it looks like. Yeah, that's a time lapse, all right. I wonder if we should change the frequency of this things. To figure this out. Took 34 minutes. It's lapsing to 52 seconds. Okay, so if 34 minutes down into 1 minute, if we go, that's a half an hour in 1 minute. And if we go for, say, 2 whole days, which we won't have to go, say a day and a half, that's 36 hours, 72 minutes. That'll be kind of long. Maybe we'll go every 4 seconds. Yeah, see what we can do here.